What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're switching gears from our usual panels to something a bit more aesthetic. I've been playing around in Figma, and I want to show you how I built these panels, the kind that makes your UI look like it costs thousands. So, let's start with the foundation. The secret to that premium look isn't just one setting, it's how you layer the effects. First, look at that background. I've given it a heavy background blur. I pushed the blur value well over 100, which gives it that soft, dreamy, diffused look. Now, for the panels themselves, this is where the glass effect comes to life. I didn't just stick with one shadow, I actually used two distinct drop shadows. The first is offset to hit the top edge, creating a light lift. The second creates that grounding weight on the bottom. The best part? It's completely modular. You can see how easily this adapts. If you're matching your brand's specific color palette, keeping that same shadow and blur logic across all your cards creates an incredibly clean, professional consistency. Give this a shot in your next project and drop a comment below once you do. I want to see what you build. Don't forget to hit that like button if you want to see more Figma deep dives. I'll catch you guys in the next one.